The Tangem wallet is one of the simplest and most secure ways for beginners to store cryptocurrency. Designed with a physical smart card in mind, it removes the complexity often associated with digital wallets, making it ideal for anyone new to crypto. Unlike traditional wallets that require private key management or complex software, Tangem wallets store assets on a contactless card that feels like carrying a debit card, but with powerful security features built in. The best Tangem wallet for beginners is the Tangem Nano, priced around $45. It offers a plug-and-play experience that eliminates the need for passwords or seed phrases. The card is fully compatible with both Android and iOS devices through the Tangem app, allowing seamless management of multiple cryptocurrencies in a secure environment. The wallet supports Ethereum, Bitcoin, and various ERC20 tokens, giving beginners a straightforward entry into popular digital assets without overwhelming options. Security is a core advantage of Tangem wallets. Each card comes with a secure chip certified to the highest banking standards, making it almost impossible for hackers to access funds remotely. Unlike online wallets or exchanges, there is no risk of phishing attacks or cloud breaches. The physical aspect of the wallet also serves as a constant reminder to store it safely, reducing human error in handling digital assets. The Tangem wallet also allows users to send and receive crypto effortlessly. Transactions are quick and require nothing more than tapping the card to a smartphone, streamlining the process for beginners who may struggle with traditional wallet setups. With a one-time purchase of approximately $45, beginners gain a lifetime of secure crypto storage without recurring fees or subscription costs. For anyone starting in cryptocurrency, the Tangem Nano wallet provides a balance of simplicity, security, and versatility. Its design removes technological barriers, making it a highly recommended choice for anyone entering the crypto world for the first time.